Think ECU is just for adults? Think again. Emily Carr University's youth programs give young creatives aged 12 to 18 a head start on their futures, or simply a space to come together to explore, connect, and grow. Every youth program is led by industry professionals in supportive, inspiring environments. You'll gain first-hand university-level experience while exploring Emily Carr University's unique studios, equipment, and artistic community through practical art making. We offer engaging after-school workshops and spring and summer break programs that aim to inspire the next generation of artists and designers. Whether you're learning a new medium or preparing for post-secondary, there's something here for every creative path.
Our popular Spring Break Art Camp offers 2 one-week sessions where young artists build a strong foundation in essential skills across art, media, and design.
The perfect launchpad for creative growth. Each summer, our campus buzzes with activity as over 200 young artists participate in the Summer Institute for Teens and Junior Art Institute. The Summer Institute is an intensive month-long university program designed for youths aged 16 to 18. Students dedicate time to honing their skills, enhancing their portfolios, and preparing for future pursuits in the arts. For younger creatives, aged 13 to 15, the Junior Art Institute provides a fun and immersive 2-week experience. Students explore both 2D and 3D projects, including drawing, painting, animation, and soft sculpture. Both summer programs lead towards a final exhibition on campus, a vibrant celebration of student work shared with friends, family, and the local arts community. It's your moment to shine and see how far you've come. ECU also offers year-round evening and weekend courses and workshops that complement your school's art education. These include special offerings like portfolio development and life drawing. We know that learning extends beyond the classroom. ECU collaborates with art gallery partners to take part in interactive experiences with exhibitions and behind-the-scenes sessions with curators, artists, and cultural practitioners. Whether you're just beginning a creative journey or developing your portfolio for the future, Emily Carr University's youth programs are designed to help young artists build their skills, connect with peers, and thrive in supportive, inspiring environments.